So what's your name, man, and what's your equipment?
My name is Brandon. I've got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s running on 2 Taramps bass 8Ks running at half ohm. I got 4 RS 6 or Resilient Sound 6.5s, 4 PRV Tweeters, and the mids are running off of a Sundown SFB 500.4, and the tweeters are running off of a Sundown SFB 200.4.
Okay, nice. You know your stuff, man. Awesome.
Thank you.
Did y'all build this? Or really looks clean, man. Nice carpet. Do you know your tuning or port area?
42.
42 hertz. Okay. Wow, looks really good.
Thank you.
Nice work. I like those bracings, custom vert that mounts onto it. Good.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, yeah, man. I'm ready.
Let me talk. It's gonna be a she creamer. It's DJ Rusticals.
plays all the way down to 20 hertz like that. And it didn't even slope off, so that sounded really good, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for the demo, man. Is there a way I can see the back? Amp and all? Oh, it is? Okay, awesome. Appreciate it. Hey, I like your doors, too.
Thank you.
That looks really good.
Thank you.
Nice. Nice work. What was your name?
Brandon.
Brandon. Okay, Brandon. Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Woo. This is sweet. How much lithium is this, or?
160 amp hour.
160? Your voltage wasn't even bad. It was really good. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
Don't turn down. We metered it. It just made 7,900 watts.
It did? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. That's right. Awesome. Thanks for showing me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We know who you are, so can we get your picture?
I like to see everything. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, you're welcome.
Nice work. You kept it clean and loud. Good. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.